If you are looking for a fashionable phone that looks different and is sure to turn a few heads, then say hello to the Honor 9N. The smartphone houses a notch on the display. The smartphone is made in India, for India. Speaking of the design, the phone is glass all over, with a 2.5D glass in the front and a smooth glass finish at the back. The front of the smartphone has a 19:9 5.84-inch Full HD Plus display to cater to your gaming and entertainment needs. For the optics, you have a 16-megapixel selfie camera and a 13+2-megapixel dual camera setup at the back. Both the front and rear cameras of the smartphone boast of a beautification mode to enhance the images you take. The rear camera can also take bokeh images. The smartphone gives you the ability to not only control the level of depth after the image is taken, but can also let you shift points of focus. The phone is available in 3 variants: 3GB RAM with 32GB storage, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 4GB RAM with 128GB of storage. When it comes to security, the phone has the best of the both worlds: face unlock as well as the fingerprint sensor. A cool thing about face unlock is that it won't show the notifications unless you look at the phone. It won't also unlock if your eyes are closed. Moving to UI, the smartphone comes with Honor's EMUI 8. A cool feature in the UI is the Game Suite, which lets you answer calls without leaving the comfort of the game. The Honor 9N sports a 3000 mAh battery, which means that the device will cater to your entertainment and gaming needs for quite a while before demanding juice. This was a quick overview of the features on offer on the Honor 9N.